Hello, myself Amal Nandgaonkar from Vidyavardhan's Idea, third year BRch, presenting you this semester's design problem, which is Cultural Center, Nasik. The location of site is near Anand Valley and opposite to Hausha Ganpati. On the north side of site, there is an open vegetation area. On the east side of site, there is municipal garden. On the south side of the site and on the west side, Godavari river is flowing. As as we can see, the site already has an 15-meter wide accessible road, and also the direction of wind is from southwest to northeast direction. Generation of build form. Firstly, I have considered a rectangle. I divided that rectangle into four parts. Then I cutted the part into half and placed them alongside of on the boundary of a rectangle. Then I have tilted one block and made an open space. Main motive of placing the blocks in this manner is to form a space in between these structures, to use it for the events and the programs and give it a little private area of its own inside the structure. One can enter through in the side through his or her vehicles and directly go to the parking area and park her vehicle, and can walk up to the main entrance of site. It is also for the pedestrian entrance. The four columns guides the entrance to the site. The entrance directly leads towards the small water body, which is surrounded by a small green zone. How the people can walk around the site and can enjoy the views of Godavari River. There is also one pathway to roam around the site, and through which people can enter in different structures. The first can go to the art gallery, the library, cafeteria, and also experimental theatre or the proscenium. There is also a staircase given for going towards the river, which is stepping down about 2 meters, where people can sit on these 3 meters wide stairs and can enjoy the view. In this magnified plan, one can see how the movement of people is happening. When one enter in the proscenium, there is a waiting area. He can wait there. Then he can access to the main hitting area. There is no direct access on the stage, but I have given the previous entrance, which is a backstage entrance for people to go backstage. There is a huge sitting area. Also, the sitting area has projection room, the lighting room, and audio video control room. People can also exit through this area, or they can follow the path they had come before. Backstage of the proscenium has 8 green rooms. There is staircase provided here to go to the upper level. It is the mirror image of these green rooms here. There is also separate entrance from the back side for VIP people and for the actors or artists. After following that path, one can enter into the experimental theatre, which has a changeable hitting area for different experiments and for different performances. It also has green room area, which has four green rooms, two on the ground level and two on the upper level. It also has toilets and a staircase which is going towards the upper level. The backstage of experimental theatre has also given the separate entrance for the artists. There is an ticket area or help counter for the people. This is one of the main focus of the site, which is a small water body, which attracts people towards it and which is visually attractive. And one can go down the steps and can directly sit here on the stairs and can enjoy the view, or he can go around the path and can enter into the cafeteria, which is an open cafeteria where he can also enjoy the views of Godavari river. There is ramp provided here from the same entrance as cafeteria, where people can go to the projection facility on the upper level. After following the path, one can enter in the library. The library has a huge book collection, one green space, admin block, and there is a series of arch windows on its wall. The windows are planned the way that one can sit on the window and can read books. One person can go in the art gallery. In the art gallery, there are three galleries which has different scales. It has also provided with the storage, a waiting area, a admin area. The art gallery block and the library block has given a common toilet. After leaving the art gallery, one can go on the staircase which leads towards the museum on the upper level. Museum has four exhibition halls and one five exhibitions hall, and three of them are permanent and two of them are exhibit. It also has a waiting area, a admin block, a souvenir shop. It has also provided with storage and toilet facility. After visiting museum block, one can go downstairs and go to the projection facilities. There are three projection facilities with different capacity of people, and from the same road or the same path, there is open roof sitting area, which is on the top of cafeteria for the people to enjoy the surrounding of it, of the cultural center. On the proscenium block, there is first level gallery for the people sitting. The magnified shows us the upper level green rooms for the both experimental theatre and the proscenium. Section AA is cutting, which is showing the auditorium block, the art gallery block, the museum block, and a little cutted a little cutted projection facility area. It is also showing us the main entrance and parking area. This section BB, which is showing us which is showing us the elevation of the library, which has glass facade, the ramp which is leading towards the projection facility room, a section from the art gallery and a section from the museum, and the cafeteria which is open and only has a glass parapet wall, so one can enjoy the view of Godavari river. The section CC shows us the water body in the middle of site, a section going through the experimental theatre, It also shows the amp which is cutting the projection facility and library. This is magnified section and plan of the proscenium, in which we can see how the proscenium is covered with the bowstring truss and has two levels of green rooms and one level going to the upstage for handling the the lights and the screens. It also shows the VIP entrance for the actors, and it also shows the stage area and a stage to people or actors ratio. It has a projection facility room on the below of the sitting area. There is toilet and admin block provided for the people.